Having safely descended from our day of heli-skiing, we arrived in Solang, a village straight out of the Middle Ages, encircled by a great amphitheater of peaks, glaciers, and ice falls. When you ski in India, be sure to bring your own ski equipment because in Solang, ski boots are rubber galoshes, skis have no edges, and no one has ever heard of a hamburger with French fries and a chocolate shake.
Yeah, it was quite a shock to arrive in Solang and immediately go for lunch at this little hut where they're whipping up the food in front of you.
Willie, Brad, and Mike are welcomed with open arms, big smiles, and local delicacies.
We saw and started to see all the kids, and with their little skis over their shoulders, and came again running up to us and pointed where they were coming down and where they were skiing, and it was just a lot of fun.
We boys in the villages, we make the wooden skis and we ski with our own self-made wooden skis, and we have lots of fun. And we walk up, we go up high like 10-20,000 feet, and then we ski down.
आरी में लगाया, फिर उसके ऊपर कील लगा, फिर पट्टे लगाए, फिर रबड़ लगा, फिर बूट में ski.
He told that first of all he got the wood, and he went to the sawmill and he has made these pieces, and after that he took it to the carpenter and made this more faster, and then he stole this saw blade from the sawmill and fixed it with his skis. And then he has these straps, it's also from sawmills, these straps to roll, and then he got this rubber and fixed it here, and that's how he got his skis.
Like these kids, we were born and raised in the mountains, and like us, the slopes have been their playground, snow taking the place of grassy ball fields. Skiing survives wherever mountains survive, regardless of the quality of equipment. The gap between us is nowhere as great as in the realm of technology.
These kids were phenomenal. They showed the true essence of skiing more so than anyone I've ever met before. They would cut these sticks and nail saw blades to the bottom for gliss, and they were out there just having a ball. They were really a breath of fresh air.
It was back in a different century, really. The equipment was ancient. To see the little kids coming at us with their equipment was just absolutely mind-boggling. I have skied for a long, long time, and I kind of could relate to some of those early days when my dad used to make little wooden skis for me. just had little sticks as poles and things like this, and we were totally flabbergasted by it because we didn't expect that. Slowly it sank in how much they enjoyed themselves doing it. After seeing those kids in their environment and what they were doing, I mean, we in a way felt ourselves very privileged. And yet at the same time I looked at them and I thought they had a lot more fun than we had when we skied and learned how to ski, because they just had grins on their faces every minute of the day. They didn't want our equipment. They were very happy with what they had.
It was so inspiring to see those kids in India. You know, how little they had and how much they loved the sport. It humbled me to the sense that I just enjoy the sport now more so than I did before I went on that trip.
With a culture so remarkably proud and endearing, we stick around Solang for a few more turns with our new friends.